Oh,
that's the poop hole, dude.
Stinky, huh?
Can I take a video?
And whatever else happens to get dumped in there.
Koda, don't pee in there again.
About filled that fucking hole.
Oh,
I'm getting a video.
Yeah, I know. I've never seen it rain that much. Man,
I want to see it.
filling up quick. You're gonna get a whooping, boy. His claws are sharp.
He's a short friend.
yeah, look at his tail.
Hair up on his back.
Boy, the old man gets you, man, you're gonna regret it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Scary.
Claws are sharp, dude.
He just wants to play.
I know it.
He's like, come on.
Come on, chase me, something.
Yeah, Sparky, fuck you. You get close enough, I'll get you.
Yeah, Sparks just gotta go.
Sissy. Oh, you got those cigarettes off the table? Please?
Oh, yeah, look at
He
the
barks and runs.
I know, yeah.
Look at the fuzzy.
Yeah, and that's the same bark that he was using
Yeah.
when he was barking. And he's a vicious dog.
Oh, yeah, so vicious.
Super vicious. Look at that.
Oh, yawning.
Yawn.
Was the kitty wiping you out, mister?
Oh, play with me, play with me.
Circles. Not here.
Hey, we're going in the house.
No.
Every time the door opens.
I know.
Go play. Go play
Go
with
back to the
Sparks.
cat.
Oh, he's going back to Kitty.
You get some ball warmers.
Ball warmers.
Ooh.
And Sparks is like, okay, come on.
He's had dinner, he's like in the sleep, so
He's
you're
fat.
Right, you're
He's
messing
going
with
to
the
fight.
snap time.
yeah.
Get him.
All right, Koda Bears. What's the matter?
Okay.
You don't want to play?
You want to play?
You don't want to
Go play with
Sparky
Sparks.
Grouch?
Go play.
You want to
Oh
play?
yeah,
Go
snap.
play.
Coda's like, somebody else play with me.